Hello defensive drivers, Brett here with a quick tutorial on the makeup test. Let me start first by saying I'm so sorry you didn't pass the open book test. Okay. I'm not even mad, I'm impressed. How did you do that? Well, better luck this time, and hey, what's the worst thing that can happen? Oh, they have to repeat driver's ed? Okay, we don't want to do that. Pay attention, let's go. So step 1, take the test. Make sure you read all the questions and answers carefully and then click submit. The next page you'll see a button that says view score. It's going to open up another tab with your score total. Please keep both these tabs open. And if you're clever, you can put them side by side. On the new tab, you'll look up any wrong answers. You scroll down until you see a red X next to the question instead of the green check mark. Then you go back to the first tab and click edit your responses. This is where it gets good. We're letting you retake this over and over until you finally pass. You're welcome. Then click through until you find the ones you've missed. After correcting the wrong answers, then you submit the test again and click view score. If you still didn't get 50 out of 50, no worries. You just need to repeat those steps again and go back and edit your responses. If you did get 50 out of 50, then you're done at this point. No further action is required on your part. We have your score, and you got 50 out of 50. Hope that helps. Good luck, and get defensive, my friends.
Get defensive!
Please, sir, I don't want to take driver's ed again. Oh, but it was mildly entertaining.